स्टोन एज और IBC और वैदिक एज एक वीडियो में देखे, अब अगला 3 इसमें देखेंगे हम लोग। बुद्धिज़्म, वेयर वॉज गौतम और बुद्धा बॉर्न? लुम्बिनी, कपिल वास्तु 563 में, जो बिहार में है। बोध अटेनमेंट हुआ, इनलाइटमेंट हुआ इनका बोध गया विक्रम वैशाख पूर्णिमा के दिन। फर्स्ट सेरेमन धर्मचक्र प्रवर्तन सारनाथ में। फर्स्ट डे एट कुशीनगर, महापरिनिर्वाण बोलते उसको। तो एट विच प्लेस डिड महात्मा बुद्ध गिव हिज फर्स्ट धर्मचक्र प्रवर्तन? सारनाथ। गौतम बुद्ध गिव हिज फर्स्ट सेरेमन सारनाथ। एनलाइटमेंट इन बोध गया, गौतम बुद्ध। 4 इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट, बर्थ हो गया लुम्बिनी, एनलाइटमेंट बोध गया फर्स्ट, प्रीचिंग सारनाथ, डेथ कुशीनगर। विच बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल वॉज नॉट हेल्ड इन बिहार? 4th। इन विच सिटी वॉज फर्स्ट बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल held during the reign of Ajasatru Rajgiri? Who was the chairman of first Buddhist council? Mahakasyap. First Buddhist council convened Rajgiri. After the Mahaparinirvana of Buddha, the first Buddhist council Rajgiri. Buddhist council during the reign of Kanishka, Kashmir. In which of the following ruler conveyed the fourth Kanishka? Buddhist council during the reign of Ashok was held, Ashok Patliputra. Third Buddhist council, Patliputra. Where did Mahatma Buddha Mahaparinirvan take place? Kushinagar. Tripitaka are the sacred book of Buddhist. Vinay Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka, Abhidhamma Pitaka. Which of the following represent fundamental difference between Mahayana Buddhism or Hinayana Buddhism? Worship of idols of god and goddess. Bodhi Vriksh. Bodhi Vriksh in Bodh Gaya belongs to which generation of its family? ये तो पता ही नहीं है। ये सब छोड़ देने वाला है। द चाइनीज ट्रेवल यूंग विजिटेड इंडिया इन 515 से 520। बुद्धिस्ट टेक्स्ट। गौतम बुद्ध was elevated to the position of God during the period of Kanishka. The teachers from whom Buddha first attempted the gain of enlightenment after the Mahavishkarman were Kalar Kalam and Rudra Ramputra. Which one of the following is not common between Buddhism and Jainism? Self-mortification. Nalanda University was great center of Buddhism. Jain. Where was Mahavir Swami born? Kundagram. The first disciple of Lord Mahavir was Jamali. The salvation place of Mahavir, the founder of Jain religion, is located at Pavapuri. Mahavir Jain breathed his last at Pavapuri. Which of the following earliest holy book of Jainism? 14 Purvaj. Trirattan जैनिज्म से है। आजीविका शेख मोखाली गुस्साल. Who was the chairman of first Jain Sangiti? Conveyed in Patliputra, Sthulbhadra. Who of the following kings was strongly inclined towards Jainism? Khadvel. The place where Mahavir attained complete spiritual knowledge. ग्रिम्बी ग्राम. शैव और भगवत रिलीजन. Who contributed the most of the development of the Bhagavad sect? Gupta. Nathpanthis, Siddhas और Yogis made devotional religion popular in northern India. 6th century BC. Political condition. Who founded Patliputra? Patliputra was founded by Ajatasattu by building a fort at Patligram. Udayan shifted the capital of Magad Empire from Rajgiri to Patliputra. The BPSC accepted the option A, which is incorrect. Which ruler first made Patliputra his capital? उदायन बनाया था ना, तो ये भी नहीं है. Which ruler moved his capital to Patliputra? Udayan. Which of the following kings founded Patliputra? Ajatasattu. By which ruler was Patliputra was chosen the capital of first time? Udayan. In ancient, the area to the south of Ganga was known as Takshashila. नहीं. In ancient, the region of south of the Ganga river was known as Magad. Takshashila was located between Indus and Jhelum. Chola was located south of Godavari. Anartha was a Vedic period estate in ancient India. In which century did the first Magadhan empire rise? 6th century. Which of the following great rulers founded the Haryanka Vansh? Bimbisar. What was the Prakrit name of Rajgir, the capital of Magad? Rajgriha. Match the following. इसका कैपिटल क्या कौन था? महाजनपद का मल्ला. अंग का चंपा. अंग चंपा. 3 2. एक और पता होगा तो कर सकते हैं. मल्ला, कुशीनगर, अंगा, चंपा, तक गंधारा, तक्षशिला, मत्स्य, कौसंबी. फर्स्ट रिपब्लिक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड established in Vaishali, Lichvi. Where was the world first republican system in 6th century? Vaishali. Capital of Magad, Rajgiri. Which was the first capital of ancient Mahajanpad? जो राजगीर है वो. What was the name of dynasty of Ajatasattu? Haryanka. A list of 16 Mahajanpad is available in Anguttara Nikaya. Pradyot was the king of Avanti. Who was the physician of Magad ruler Bimbisar? Jivika. Which dynasty did rule over Magad after the Nanda dynasty? Maurya. Kalinga king Kharvel was related to. Founder of Chedi dynasty of Kalinga was a person named Mahendra Mahameghavana. Dynasty also known as Mahameghavana dynasty. The most powerful Kharvel. मतलब कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. King Kharvel is related to Hathi Guba inscription. Gorathagiri is in the Barabar Hills was conquered by Kharvel. The capital of Ang Janpad, Champa.